Okay. What is your advice to those who, when you preach them about practicing Islam, they say, ये यहाँ पर नहीं चलेगा, यहाँ पर नहीं चलता.
Islam is for every age, every time, every era, up until Yawm al-Qiyamah. Anyone who says that Islam is not going to run today, it is not going to walk today, it is not going to be able to be practiced today, is an ignoramus, or a man or a person with a disease in their hearts that is misled by the whisperings of shaitan. Islam is for every age, every time, every era, up until the command of Allah comes. Up until Yawm al-Qiyamah, there is no religion accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala except for Islam. If Islam is not going to run today, then what is going to run today? Atheism, liberalism, sexual deviancy, evolution, the religion of science, of the kuffar. If Islam is not going to run, then what's going to run? Wallahu musta'an. It is the religion for every age, every time, every era. And that's why لا تزال طائفة من أمتي ظاهرين على الحق, that there shall never cease to be a group from my ummah manifest upon the truth. لا يضرهم من خذلهم ولا من خالفهم حتى يأتي أمر الله. There shall never cease to be that group victorious. So if they believe that this religion is not going to run, then that's between them and their Rabb. They can answer to Allah Yawm al-Qiyamah. As for us, then this Islam will enter, as the Prophet ﷺ said, that this Islam will enter into every home, whether made out of fur or out of mud. Either it will bring honor or it will bring humiliation. Honor for those who accept it, humiliation for those who refuse to accept it. This is our Islam. Whoever likes it, whoever doesn't, we leave them to it. Barakallahu feekum wa jazakumullahu khairan wa subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta